There's thrust washers here. There's thrust washers. That takes the thrust of the forward and back. Just there's a play on the crank. Normally this play to move forward. That was on. To move forward and back. So what we do is we take. We're going to knock the pistons out now.
Okay, wait.
Okay, yeah,
okay,
like
so.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Okay, wait. Yo! Okay,
Need to go over. What's up, guys? Welcome back to this week's video. So, as you can see by the previous sequence, we completed, or we stripped down the bottom end completely. Today's Thursday. I was gonna take it away today, but then Wade phoned me. He made a little impulse decision. He wants to get some coilovers for his BM, so we're on our way to Shaba. I'm going with him because I want to see, there was a couple of wheels that I saw on his Instagram that I actually like, and I just want to go with to test fit it, see what it looks like. I can't afford it now, but just so that I know, and then we can see how it looks. I saw he just got it in recently. It's quite a nice mag. It's probably not everyone's cup of tea, but we'll see how it looks. So yeah, we're on our way to Shaba now. Pick up Wade's coilovers, getting coilovers for the BM, and then I just want to test fit that, see how it looks, and you can comment down below how it looks, or if you guys think it's something that's decent. Yeah, so I'll get you there, and then we'll fit the coilovers tomorrow, and then I also have to take away. Well, no, you'll fit the coilovers Saturday probably, and then tomorrow I need to take the bottom end away to engineers to have it checked out, and then see what we're gonna do from there. So I'll see you guys soon. This is what we're working with. Wade, what do you think? It looks good. It's the CLI rim that usually comes in a CLI Jetta, but it has the deep dish in it as well. When I saw this, I really liked it, but I don't know how I feel. So those are the two options we got. The front one I chose, that's what I like. The rear one, sorry. And then that's the one from the CLI. The one in the front Wade chose, and I actually really like this. It's a bit concave. It's both 15-inch. So those are two options. I don't know actually, I'm quite confused between the two now, but yeah, comment down below what you guys think. Wade secured the bag, he got the JOM coilovers, so that's probably what we're doing next, fitting the coilovers. So I just got here now. We're gonna start fitting the coilovers. I haven't actually done a BMW before, so we're gonna do this. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but hopefully we can figure it out. We've done a couple of VWs. We've done Wade's Accord. We put some BC coilovers in his Accord. Yeah, but we've never done a BMW before, so hopefully it's not too difficult. I think it should be easy. It looks simple. Yeah, so Wade's busy assembling at the back over here. I think it's just this cup that needs to come off to open up over here, and then we can get in there, loosen the top mounting. Okay, so we managed to get it off. It took us a little bit of figuring out to do, but we have to take this whole panel off, and then it's just in the back over there. It needs to be loosened. Once that's loosened, I think there's another bolt at the bottom, and then it should fall out. So this is where we currently at. It took us like 3 hours to do the one.
Yeah.
Took us quite long
But it's
because obviously the first time we're doing this car, so to take this whole control arm loose,
Just give me it.
and then it fit in the spring. Still need to put the shock in, and then the side should be done.
There's a clip there. One there.
There's one clip here.
One here. One here. And you need one of these to loosen this.
It's a 30 Torx to just unclip that.
And then
Or
there's that
loosen
the
that.
plastic thing that goes there. That's the main thing. You can't loosen this unless that's done.
So this plastic cover over here,
Yeah. That kind of unlocks everything.
this needs to be taken off.
2 stars and 2 clips.
2 stars to take that off. This you need to remove the rubber a little bit so it clips out. And then these clips over here. And the one over there, that's 30 Torx, and then this comes off.
There we go, there we go. Give him some power, you must. Let him know in the video, you must give it a bit cheap. Power. Yeah, there we go. That one just goes through.
Just unclip that side.
Yeah. I don't know if we can leave this one like that, or do you need it fully gone? Up to you.
Let's check. Okay.
What do you think?
Nah, take it out completely.
Just,
It's just there.
What's... Yeah, I think all to you. Here we go. And then it's just this cover over here.
And there we go, you got the whole cover off. Then you just got a 16 over here, and this is like a 10 ratchet you can use on here to just keep it so it doesn't turn. And then there's another 16 at the bottom. Another 16 over here, and then you have to loosen the low control arm, so it's 21 over here. Loosen these 2 21s, while one here and the other one just to counter hold. And then you just want to loosen this slightly so the whole control arm comes down and the spring will come down as well. So we got everything loosened. Like I say, the 16 on top. This is actually a 17 over here, at the bottom over here. And then you've got your 21 here. And then you're also going to loosen the camber bolt over there. That's also 21. Not completely, just a little bit loose so the whole control arm can drop. I still need to loosen this 21 now. And then that should take the spring out. I also forgot to mention, just we put a jack under here to keep that so it doesn't fall out, and then we just loosen it slightly to relieve the pressure and then take the shock and the spring out. So that ended up being a little bit of a balls. What happened was we dropped the car after we've done the rear. but it was still extremely high, and I know that the spring still needs to be settled in after a while, but it was like extremely high. Zana could literally fit the fist in between the fender and the tire, and the coils was maxed out, so we were a bit bummed about that, and it got a bit late. We stopped there. Wade left his car here. I'm still waiting for him. He's coming back today. However, after it laid overnight, it actually settled quite a bit, so there's 2 finger spaces now in the rear, so I'm a bit happy. I don't know about Wade. He hasn't seen it yet. He's coming, like I say, he's coming today, so we're gonna finish it off today, but I think the video might be long enough, so I don't want to leave, like I said, I don't want to have extremely long videos, so I'll cut it here today, and we'll pick up next week, but we're going to be finishing it off today, so I will put that in next week's video, and then I'll also bring you the complete bottom end. We dropped everything off. It seems like this motor is going to be done a bit stronger than I anticipated. We're doing things that I didn't expect to do, or I didn't budget to do, but yeah, it's going to be exciting. We should be getting it back this week, so stay tuned for that. I'll explain to you everything we did and what we can expect, so stay tuned for that. All of that will be in next week's video. I'll actually leave a link down below on the video if you're here for fitting the BMW coilovers. The video that we picked up while we were busy, and it's quite helpful. That's the video we used after all the struggles. Extremely helpful. I'll leave a link for that below. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for next week's video. It's going to be an update on the bottom end and then also the plans of the motor. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
Subscribe to JOM and like the video.